Alrighty, let's see if I can do this without getting stopped again. If you hear any vibration from the phone, I am sorry, because I swear to you, everyone knows I'm recording, and they're punks. A little bit newspaper, cardboard stuff. Am I supposed to, like, separate these? Yes, okay. I could see why they would want me to cut them. I'm slightly uncomfortable with this. But I got the stabby. I got this. So let's just, you know, that was on purpose. Oh, jeez. Okay, I got one, like, still here. The other one's gone. It's in the LOL girl's hair. I don't know, but it's gone. Okay, so now we are gonna open up this beautiful, delicious water. We're gonna turn so I could show you the water and pour the water. Really? Yo, that was, like, messed up. I know y'all saw that. Alright, so we always only do a little bit at a time, especially if we're going to use the flashlight. Man, I'm mad that it's on the sides of it, but whatever. That's my life. Alright, let's intertwine these bad boys, make them cute. Something like that, right? I'd like them like that. I don't know if that's possible, but it sounds good in my head. I hope this works. I really want to put it in the oven, but I don't think that's going to work either. I think it is lovely. I think it's really curing. Yeah, I'm shocked. Check it out, guys. Hold on, let me focus, my bad. It's super cute. I love this. Where are we going to put it? You know where. Right up there.